What's going on, folks? Will Stewart here with Will Stewart 365, and we are back today with another unboxing and first impressions. I have got four different fragrances here, or four different packages here. There's actually more than stuff. I don't know what's in each one, so we're just gonna grab one. This is how of a first impression it is I don't even know what's here. Just pick one at random, and we are going to see if these fragrances smash the box. So today we're going to be doing some unboxing and first impressions. I don't think I'm going to unbox all of these packages, but if there's only one in this box, I might do, two different boxes. But let's take a look and see what's inside. So we got another order here from Joma Shop. I like to shop at Joma Shop because you get things at a really good price, and they have a decent selection. They don't have everything, but they do have quite a bit. So let's see what's in this one. So let's get rid of that box, and let's see what's in here. So this one here is Azzaro's Wanted by Night, and this is the Eau de Parfum version of Azzaro's Wanted by Night. Very popular fragrance, one that gets a lot of attention, all over the interwebs. And today we're going to unbox it and give you guys my first impressions. I think I'm going to like this one because what I can tell from the reviews, I've never smelled this before, is that it's a very, kind of spicy, sweet, boozy fall scent. And I really like those types of fragrances. Let's get rid of the wrapper and let's close the knife so I don't cut myself. And then we're going to get into here. Box wise, it's pretty cool. You see it's kind of got the cylinder on the top of the package here. You've got, your ingredients list on the back. You've also got, nothing on this side. You've got some more information on this right hand side, and then the branding, the concentration. On the bottom, you've got some, safety information, and looks like there's a batch code printed on the very bottom, which this one here is ABV31E1. So let's open up the box, take a look at the bottle. So get rid of that box too. So I've got this in the 50 ml variation because I've got way too many fragrances and I'm not going to be able to wear them all. So this is kind of like a 6, right? It's not even a 6 shooter. It's a 5 round kind of motif of a cylinder. This upper part here is plastic. Cap seems like it's on there really good. It might be like aluminum coated plastic. It's not magnetic or anything, but it definitely clicks into spot. Clicks in there real nice and real good. Let's grab a test strip here and we'll see what this puppy smells like. So, if you've tried this fragrance before, or if you've been able to smell it before, let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. But let's take a look at the atomizer here and let's see how many sprays it takes. 1, 2, 3. Decent atomizer here on this one. So right off the bat, it smells, I can just smell it in the air from spraying it, over there onto the test strip. And it's got a very fruity. And this one for me smells similar to a couple different fragrances that I have. It is it's a little bit fresher than I guess you could thought, but not really in a fresher, like a freshy type of way, but more of like a sweet tart. So actually not what I was really expecting at all. I was expecting a little bit more of like a Camera Spice Bomb Extreme, that type of a genre, a sweet vanilla. This isn't it. This actually smells a little bit like Hawassi. It smells, so I guess you that Invictus Aqua DNA, maybe Invictus-y. Maybe smells a little bit. Nope, I mean that's the closest one I got, man. Really do think that that's the, but it's good. Like, I don't know what this is going to smell like on the dry down yet, obviously, Just from first impressions, not what I was expecting. I was expecting a deep, rich fall scent, and that's not what it is. It is a kind of bubblegummy, but not really bubblegummy. It smells like sweet tarts. So I mean, whatever you guys think, that is, but I like it. Not what I was expecting. I'm a little bit shocked. I'm a little bit lost for words because it's not what I was expecting, but it's nice. It's kind of in that same vein as Invictus, kind of in that same vein as Hawassi, the Invictus Aqua 2016. It's not as sharp as that, so that one's maybe a little bit more tart than this one. But it's tartar. It's more sweet tart-ish than say something like a Night Vision EDT or a Boss Bottled. Or sorry, not Boss Bottled, but Boss the Scent Original. Boss the Scent number 6. But definitely away from those. It's not like those. It's more Hawassi. Hawassi is the closest thing in my collection that I can think of that really makes this thing for me. So that's the Hawas here, and I'm gonna just give this a spray too, just to see if I'm remembering things correctly or if it's not even close to this, but I'll give this one a go here. So this one is definitely more tart. The Hawas, okay, so they're similar, but they're different. They don't smell the same, but they're kind of in that same vibe. This is maybe a little bit more like a cherry sweet tart, whereas this one kind of tastes a little bit more like a definitely getting more like a bubblegum smell from the Hawas than this. This is a little bit, so the Hawas in my right hand, Wanted by Night. They're in the same vein, but it's like I'm trying to figure out how to separate. It's like two different flavors of sweet tarts. They've got that same sweet tart vibe. On skin, this may smell different, but just right here off of paper. So the Hawas is definitely more like a bubblegum cherry, like a red sweet tart. For some reason, I'm getting like visions of blue sweet tarts in my brain, if that makes sense. But that's it for first impressions on the Azzaro Wanted by Night Eau de Parfum. And I think I just broke the cap. Did I break the cap? No, it just came loose. I guess these are refillable. So, I mean, that's not cool. I don't want that coming undone. I guess you can unscrew the top here and you can get right into the fragrance. So definitely don't want that leaking or evaporating being a refillable cap. But yeah, that lid really clicks on there good. Maybe it helps to keep the air out of it. Maybe if there's something like a pine note in here that's maybe pushing it that way. I mean, that's kind of what I'm getting off the atomizer, but I like it. We're going to go ahead and give this one, there's no particular part of the bottle that really stands out, except for there is a little Azzaro logo down there on the bottom. So yeah, we got this Azzaro Wanted by Night and Eau de Parfum. I'm gonna give this one a 7.5 out of 10. Wear this maybe where I'm at in the southern states of the United States. I could probably still wear this now. Like it's still pretty hot during the day. So early fall, summertime for me, and Azzaro Wanted by Night. And that is it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'm going to be doing a video on the rest of these, so make sure you check out the channel and watch for more. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you think it smells sweet tartish? Do you think that it's kind of in the same? They don't smell the same. This smells different than this. Right? This has more of a bubblegummy, grapey, cherry, sweet tart vibe. This has a blue, so it's not like a blueberry, but like those blue airheads, if that makes sense, something like that. Guys, check it out. I like it. I think you would like this too. So it'd be great, like occasion wise. You could wear it, out and about at a club. You probably get compliments off of this one Check it out. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. We'll see you guys next time. I'm out.